Trying to learn Japanese? Get the lessons that are perfect for you. Click here to get your free lifetime account.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide.
In this lesson, you learn the particle no.
This particle is often referred to as the modifying particle because we use it between two nouns to indicate that the first noun modifies the second noun.
One of the main usages of no is showing possession.
It's like the possessive or the word of in English. Let's see how it functions in a sentence. How do you say Risa's, as in belongs to Risa?
Risa no.
So then how would you say, for example, Risa's pen?
Risa no pen.
Great. So then how would you say Alicia's?
Alicia no. And Alicia's computer is Alicia no computer.
So how about my?
Watashi means I or me. So, watashi no is my.
For example, how do you say, this is my computer?
これは私のコンピューターです。Please note that Lisa no, Alicia no can mean Lisa's, Alicia's too. 私の also can mean mine.
Good point. When it's obvious what the first noun possesses, the second noun can be left out. For example, how do you say, this is mine?
これは私のです。
Let's take a look at a few more examples.
これはアリーシャさんのカバンですか?
Is this your bag, Alicia?
ゴッホの絵が好きです。
I like Van Gogh's paintings.
太郎の話は嘘です。
Taro's story is a lie. From a broader perspective, this particle marks the category, origin, material, or any attribute of the noun that follows. Let's see some examples.
英語の先生。
This literally means teacher of English, so English teacher. Let's see a sample sentence.
彼は英語の先生です。
Literally, it means he is a teacher of English.
桜の花。
This literally means flower of cherry, so cherry blossom. Let's see a sample sentence.
桜の花が咲きました。
The cherry blossom bloomed. Note that this particle can be used multiple times. For example, my friend's name is Yuko is
私の友達の名前はゆうこです。
Let's take a look at a few more examples with the same particle used as a category marker.
日本の車が好きです。
I like Japanese cars.
今週の日曜日、暇ですか?
Are you free this Sunday?
田中さんの考えは面白いです。
Mr. Tanaka's idea is interesting. In this lesson, you learned about the particle
の。
In the next lesson, you'll learn about the particle
と。
See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye!